Every day my kids come back from school and this is what's in their shoes. You can see. It's never ending. It's like this one's only wood chips. When it's the sand, it's a real pain. It takes forever to take out. So that's okay. But this sand, sand's a pain in the butt. Maybe you hear it all day. Still sand. Still sand. You can see there's still sand. Still sand coming out. It's doable, but sand keeps on coming out. So this takes me about 5 minutes in the hot sun to just get sand out of my kids' shoes. This is every single day. You could tell them to do it, and then they'll be out here for 20 minutes. So sometimes it's just easier to do it yourself. It's lucky with the wood chips. Next time, I bet you it's going to take a lot longer.